students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So I am Anushka Pandey, your EVS teacher. So now let's move further to our next topic, which is living things give birth to young ones. So first of all, take out page number 165 and put your finger wherever I am reading. So let's start. Birds, insects and snakes give birth by laying eggs. There are different types of giving birth. So, how birds, insects and snakes are giving birth? By laying eggs. Next, animals such as cows, dogs and cats give birth to young ones just like human beings. Same as human beings, animals are also giving birth to their young ones. Okay? Plants have seeds. Plants do not give birth to young ones. What they have? They have seeds. Most new plants grow from seeds. How a plant grow? So, from a seed. So, next one. Non-living things do not give birth to young ones. Only living beings can give birth to young ones. Any non-living thing cannot give birth to their young ones. Okay? Next topic is living things grow old and die. All living things, फिर चाहे वो कोई भी हो, animals, plants, human beings, birds, okay, they are getting old and after that it can die also. Non-living things do not grow old and die. Have you ever heard? आपने कभी सुना है कि book की death हो गई, bench की death हो गई? No, right? So why? Because non-living things do not grow old and die. Okay, now we have finished our chapter. Now let's recall whatever we have learned. So, our environment. What was the name of our chapter? Our environment. So, what we have learned first of all, natural things. What are natural things? Which are made by God, which are gifted by God to us. For example, mountains, rivers, stones, the sun and so on. These all things are made by God. We can't make this all. So that is why it is called natural things. Next topic, man-made things. Okay, man-made things means things which are made by us, which are made by human beings. That things are called man-made things. For example, table, chair, pencil and so on. Okay, table, chair, pencil and so on are made by human beings, are made by us. That is why they are called man-made things. Next, living things. Living things means which can breathe, which can grow, which can eat food, which can move, which can feel, which can give birth to young ones. We have learned now. Grow old and die. Okay, things which can do all this, they all are living things. Last one, non-living things are things which do not breathe, these four options, which is the example of a living thing? So let's read the options. Spoon, monkey, car or doll. Which is a living thing? Yes, monkey, because it can move, it can breathe. Okay. So car, doll and spoon can't move, no? Can't breathe, can't eat food. So these three are non-living things. Which is a living thing? Monkey. Okay. Now second one. A blank is a non-living thing which is made by human beings. Four options are given here. You have to tell which is non-living thing and made by human beings. Okay. So options are stone, aeroplane, hill, river. So you have to see that which is a non-living thing and made by human being also. So a stone is a non-living thing, but it is not made by us. It is made by God. So aeroplane is the correct answer. Aeroplane is made by us, made by human being and is non-living thing also. Okay. Third one. A blank is a living thing that gives birth by laying eggs. You have to tell that from these four, who are giving birth by laying eggs? Who gives eggs? So our answer is bird. So this is the correct answer. Bird gives birth by laying eggs. Next one. Plants prepare. Prepare means तैयार करना. Plants prepare their food with the help of blank. Plants किसकी मदद से अपना food, अपना खाना तैयार करते हैं? So options are human beings, animals, sunlight or a cook. See? Tell me the answer. Yes, the correct answer is sunlight. Plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. Okay. Last one. Fish breathe through blank. Okay. From where fish can breathe? Options are a nose, gills, eyes or fins. Yes. From its gills. Fish can breathe through its gills. Okay. Okay students, now let's move ahead to our next question, question number 3, which is put a right if the sentence is correct or a wrong if it is wrong. You have to read the sentence and you have to see it is right or wrong. Okay. So let's start. First one, plants do not grow. क्या लिखा है? Plants do not grow. Plants grow नहीं करते हैं. So wrong. Plants are living thing. They can grow. Okay. So it is wrong. Second one. Living things give birth to young ones. Living things can give birth to young ones. So it is correct. Living thing can give birth. Okay. Next one. Non-living things need food and water. What it is written? That non-living things need food and water. It is a non-living thing. Does it need food and water to grow? So wrong. Non-living things do not need food and water. Okay, because it is non-living. Next one. A pencil is a non-living thing. So correct. A pencil is a non-living thing because it doesn't grow, it doesn't move, it doesn't eat food. Last one. Birds give birth by laying eggs. So right, yes, birds are giving birth by laying eggs. So it is also right. So students, you have to do till question number 3, page number 167 in your tulip one.